a team demonstration station from Mayaro Secondary School.
Check out our 8 forms of irrigation.
This is the gravity flow drip irrigation. We have water in this tank and we have fertilizers in this tank. We're using the fertilizers because this is sharp sand and sharp sand do not have any fertilizers to fertilize the plant. So we use the fertilizers twice a week so that the plant to get the nutrients.
Main terraces are step-like structure where water runs down the hill and settle in the main terrace. It also helps stop soil erosion. And here we have bucket irrigation where you bore a small hole in the bottom of the bucket and run a tube and have an alligator clipping in top of it for it to drip out.
Alright, so over here have mulch as you can see, and mulch is anything organic or inorganic material that is used to cover the soil so the loss of water by evaporation is reduced. And here we have parsley plants that we use the dry grass, and here we have sweet pepper, and we use the plastic bags for the inorganic. And here we have bottle irrigation where we place holes into the bottle here and place it next to the plant so that it could slowly drip to the roots. And then we have all our irrigation where we place water into clay pots which we got from our teacher, and we haven't placed fertilizers into the oil because it will clog the holes so that water will not be able to seep through the oil. In this area, we have drip irrigation and subsurface irrigation. We place the pipe above the soil, so when water is coming, it will drip slowly on top of the soil surface and make the plants get more moist and make it be able to grow, right? Subsurface irrigation, we took the same pipe, which is flexible pipe, and we placed it 5 inches below the soil surface, right? And doing this, the water will drip slowly to where it is needed, which is the root.
This side we have the forward irrigation. The forward irrigation is going to block up the part of the two bed so that when you soak the bed, the water will stay and moisten the bed.
Here we have Zaya pits. Zaya pits are hand-dug holes, usually 10 inches deep and 10 inches wide and 3 feet apart. It is usually bowl-shaped and used during the dry season, so when rain falls, it stays within the bowl structure and seeps in there.
In the implementation of this project, can you identify some of the skills and knowledge that you have gained in the execution of the project?
We have learned to work together as a team, and we even learn how to do plumbing.
Items that you purchased, the drip irrigation, the implementation and stuff, how was the budget requirements?
Actually, we saved money. We saved $395.48.
They're recycling. Right?
And most of the things recycles because in Mayaro, most of the farmers not like wealthy, so we also focus on that to save money.
The most expensive thing was the drip irrigation and subsurface irrigation.
And what are some of the other benefits from your project that the community could get?
Well, they could get different way how to save more water. Like example, like the oils what we have showed you all. Instead of coming every day to water and water, these oils could last limited like a week time. So you could have more time to save water and less labor.
Also, we implemented different methods on both large scale and small scale farms.
So tell me what your experience was like actually putting together this project.
Oh, this experience, you could say it was in between. It was difficult, but it was still also fun doing this project. Because yes, we faced a lot of challenges, and sometimes, well, we had to cooperate well with others. But at the end, we put it together.
Okay. Now, you all had an experience being on First Up with Paul Richard.
Yeah.
Explain to me what that experience was like, being on national TV.
Well, for me, from first, I was like well, nervous, but at the end, well, he talked to us, he made us feel like welcome.
Who you all think is your biggest competitor in the competition right now?
I think it's the girls.
Which girls?
Asha, I think the Asha. Yeah, the sugar ones here.
And what type of water conservation tips would you leave with Trinidad and Tobago after doing this whole project?
Like if you want to grow plants in
In
like
a
for your
garden,
kitchen
yeah.
garden, you can use the bottle irrigation, the oil, the mulch, inorganic and organic, right? Because these they are very cheap, right? Less money, less labor, and less time.